Yeah, tell me.
Using the Pythagoras theorem, sir, with PCM.
Using the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle PCM, if I will talk about triangle PCM, so I can use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle PCM, I can use Pythagoras theorem. How I can use it? If I want to prove it, so L1 value I can say CP square minus R square. Okay, CP square minus R square, that is L1 value is x1 plus g whole square, x1 plus z whole square plus y1 plus f whole square minus r square. R square value is how much? G square plus f square minus c. Okay, g square plus f square minus c. So this is minus r square. Minus r square value I am getting how much? G square plus f square minus c value. So yes, L1 value I can say what should be the value of L1. L1 value I am getting x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, because g square f square cancel. So yes, this length is I am getting under root of s1. Don't put L1, always put L here. By mistake I am putting L1 because S1 is there, na? So I am writing this one. So length of tangent from an external point, if you want to find out length of tangent, formula should be square root of S1. In future, don't use any theorem, Pythagoras theorem or anything. Directly you can find the formula, directly you can use the formula and you will get the answer. Okay. Write down the example. Write down the example. Correct, na? Write down the example. Find the length of tangent. Find the length of tangent. Find the length of tangent from 6, 8. From point 6, 8. From point 6, 8 to the circle. To the circle x square plus y square, it is actually equal to 25. Find the length of tangent from point 6, 8 to the circle x square plus y square, it is actually equal to how much? 25. Find the length of tangent from the point 6, 8 to the circle x square plus y square, it is actually equal to 25. Okay. What I can say? I can write down length of tangent. Length of tangent formula directly I can write down, that is square root of s1. Okay, length of tangent directly formula square root of s1. S value is given as x square plus y square minus 25. That means square root of s1 value is 6 square plus 8 square minus 25. That means how much? 36 plus 64, 100 minus 25. 100 minus 36 plus 64 minus 25. So I am getting a square root of 75. That means 5 root 3 unit. Okay. So correct answer I am getting 5 root 3 unit, square root of 75. Okay. So actually in this topic there will be two things you should remember. First thing is length of tangent direct formula square root of s1. Okay, length of tangent is square root of s1. I prove it also how a square root of s1 is coming, and another name is s1 is known as power of a point. So somewhere if it is written as s1, that means you can say it is a power of a point, just as a name. Okay. After that we'll derive 4 or 5 result. That result is very important, so all of you can focus on this result. Okay, I will ask to everybody, means are you getting or not getting, means how I can derive the result. So all of you can focus on this result. This is very important result. So write down next heading is important result. Next heading all of you can write down important result related to code of contact. Okay. So important result related to code of contact. So we will derive actually 5 results, and obviously all these results are very important. So let's start it. Okay, let's start it. What I am doing here, I am taking one point P here. Okay. Uh, I have point P, I have point A. Okay, I have point B. Okay, I have point P, I have point A, I have point B. All of you can see here. Okay, what I am writing. All of you can see the diagram. Okay, I want to draw one chord of contact AB. So this is our chord of contact AB. Okay, yes, this is our chord of contact AB. Correct now? This is our chord of contact AB. First question, my first question is, what is my first question? First question, they may be asked, length of chord of contact AB. Write down first question, length of chord of contact AB. Length of chord of contact AB. Okay, that is my first question. That is our first question. This is one, I can join it. So this is actually R. This is also R. Okay. This is R. This is R. Correct. This is A, point A. So my question is, according to my question, I have to find length of chord of contact in terms of R and in terms of, let's take theta also. Let's take this angle is theta and this angle is theta. So obviously I have to find the length of chord of contact. Okay, AB length I have to find it in terms of L and R. No, not in terms of theta. L and R I have to find it. I have given point P and I have one circle equation. Let's take point P is x1 comma y1, and radius of the circle already know. Okay, center already know. Correct now? So what's my question? My first question is, I have to length of chord of contact. Okay, I have to find the length of chord of contact. Yes, tell me how we can find the length of chord of contact. Yeah, Srinivas, you can tell me how I can find length of chord of contact. Tell me the idea.
Sir, yes, sir. We can find radius. It's like radius is given, sir.
Yeah, radius is given.
Okay, sir. Then we can find AP.
Okay.
Then the intersection between like let's say OP and AB we can find, sir.
Okay.
Then Pythagoras theorem and find.
See, I have a point P, that is x1 comma y1. Okay. I have point O, I know. I have radius R, I know. Okay. And yes, after that, what actually I have to find it? I have to find length of chord of contact, that is AB. That is my question. Okay. That is my question. Tell me one, just I am asking, see, this is very interesting questions. I am asking one geometry questions. Tell me how much angle PAO. PAO is how much angle?
90 degree.
90, sir.
Okay, 90 degree. You can see. And similarly here it is also 90 degree. Or I can make 90 degree here. This is 90 degree, correct? Both are 90. Okay. Yes, no problem. Very good. Okay. After that, this angle is given theta, means obviously angle APO is given as theta, correct? Angle APO it is given as theta, and this length P point is given. So PA length I can say length L, because I already find out. We can find, Ridhisha is saying we can find the coordinate A and B, then we find the distance. It will be very tough in that way. First of all, we can write down the equation of tangent or something. Obviously, it will be take more time. We will not follow that way. Okay, now. Okay. Let's see here. Logic you can see here. Okay. So AP distance, because point P I have. So if I have point P, so that means I can find AP distance. I can find AO distance, that is capital R, because capital R it is radius. And after that OP distance I have already. All these distances are given because point P, point O, so OP distance we can already find out. Okay, OA distance you can already have, that is radius, and PA distance I have already. Okay, everything I have. Let's take angle APO is theta. Angle APO is theta. Obviously, this angle is APO is theta. Then can anyone tell me what should be the angle of PMA? What should be the angle of PMA?
90 meters.
90, sir.
90. How you are saying 90? Any reason, or directly you are saying 90?
So like we can look at it like congruence we can prove, no, sir.
Congruence you are saying you can prove it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Congruent.
PMA will be congruent to PMB, sir.
PMA is congruent to PMB. Okay. Correct.
And then AM will be equal to MB.
Okay.
We know when line is drawn from center to chord, if it bisects the chord, it's also perpendicular to the chord.
Yeah. Center to chord.
Or to AB, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
It's bisecting AB means it's also perpendicular.
So it is very simple. Na? Very simple way we can say. Na? Means this is 90. Okay. So obviously this angle should be 90. You are proving actually that result, previous result. Means how means bisect each other, correct? In that way you are saying. Okay, no problem. So this angle should be 90 because AB I will treat it as a chord. So if AB as a chord, so M is the midpoint of the chord. Okay. So angle I can say it is 90. Very simple. So this angle is 90. This angle is theta. So how much this angle means this angle? This angle should be how much? 90 minus theta. Correct, na? Obviously, if anyone will be asked you, this angle should be, so I can say 90 minus theta. Because 90 theta, so it should be 90 minus theta. Obviously, I will get it. How much total is 90 minus theta, or it should not be 90 minus theta? Yeah, obviously 90 minus theta. Okay. So at least we will get all this angle. Okay. Then what actually I am doing? I have to find actually AB distance. So AB distance, I can say what I can say. AB distance, it will be equal to 2 times AM. AB distance, it should be equal to 2 times AM. Okay. AB distance, it should be 2 times AM. Correct. AB distance, I can say 2 times AM. Correct now? Yes. 2 times AM. AM value is how much? In triangle PAM, what should be the value of AM? Can I say L sin theta? Yes or no? You people are not saying, you are not responding
Yes, sir.
anything. AM value is L sin theta. Okay. 2 times L, you can see the triangle PAO. In the triangle PAO, sin theta value is how much? Sin theta value, can I say sin theta value? I can say OA divided by OP. Okay. In triangle PAO, sin theta value I can say OA divided by OP. So 2L into OA. OA value is how much? R. OP value is how much? Square root of R square plus L square. That means our answer, I will get it 2RL divided by R square plus L square. Okay. So yes, I can say 2RL divided by square root of R square plus L square. This should be our answer. ठीक है. 2RL divided by square root of R square plus L square. This should be our answer. Okay, length of chord AB, I am getting 2RL divided by square root of R square plus L square. So you can see this is very important and interesting result. What is the first result? Length of chord of contact AB. If I want to find the length of chord of contact AB, I am getting 2RL divided by square root of R square plus L square. In this result, anyone having problem, you can raise your hand. If it is clear, then I will move for next result. Is it clear to everybody? If anyone having problem, you can just raise your hand. Ki, sir, I have problem. I didn't understood that point. If it is clear, then I will move for next result, because these results are very important. Area of triangle PAB. Yes, anyone having problem, you can tell me. So length of chord of contact formula, I will get it R2RL divided by R square plus L square square root. Okay, I want to copy this figure again because it will be useful here. So now tell me what should be the answer. Area of triangle PAB. Area of triangle PAB. Area of triangle PAB. What should be answer? How I can find out area of triangle PAB? Can I write down area of triangle PAB? It should be equal to half into base. Base is I am taking PAB, they are saying na, so base I am taking AB as a base, and height I am taking MB. Okay, MB as a, not MB, MP, sorry, MP as a height. Okay, so half into AB into MP. This is area of triangle. And yes, if I will find the area of triangle formed by PAB, that means half into base into height. Okay, yes, let's find it. OP value, it is already given as, what should be the value of OP? OP value, it is already given as square root of R square plus L square. Okay, and sin theta value, it is given as R divided by square root of R square plus L square, and cos theta value, it is given as L divided by square root of R square plus L square. Okay, triangle, if I will talk about triangle PAB, if I will talk about triangle PAB, so I can say half into base AB into height. Height is how much? PM. Okay, so half into base AB. AB value is how much? 2 times AM. AB value, what I can write down? 2 times AM into PM, height PM. PM value is how much? L cos theta. Okay, So yes, 2 and 2 should be cancelled out. AM value if I will see, so L sin theta into L cos theta. Okay, just I am using geometry. Why we are writing this result? Because we should remember this result. Whenever the question will come, that time obviously no need to prove this thing. Okay, we'll just simply remember this result and we can get my answer. That is the main reason here. Okay. So our answer, I will get it, RL cube divided by R square plus L square. Area of triangle PAB. Area of triangle PAB, what's our answer? Our answer is RL cube divided by R square plus L square. Yeah, Srinivas is getting correct answer. Very good. RL cube divided by R square plus L square. So you got two questions. Okay, answer of two questions you already get it. First of all, length of chord of contact. What's the length? 2RL divided by square root of R square plus L square. Next question I am getting actually area of chord of contact and tangent RL cube divided by square root of R square plus L square. Okay. Next you can just write down next point.